everyone, welcome back to the Logging Aid channel. Today for this video of Logging Aid, I will be showing you how to redeem Uber Eats gift card. So to do this process, first of all, open a Google browser on your PC and then open a new tab. There on the search bar, you type in ubereats.com and press enter. This will direct you to the official page over here. Once you're at the official page, you need to get logged in into the account first. If you have not logged in, get logged in into the account by providing the account credential. As you can see, I am already logged in into my account of the Uber Eats. Once you're at the official homepage, you need to tap on the hamburger icon on the left side of your screen. Click on that, and on here what you need to do is click on wallet option. Tap that. Here on the Uber wallet page, you need to tap on the add payment method. Over here, you need to click on Spend, Connect Bank, Gift Card for Payment Service. Click that. Then click on Gift Card. Here on this text box over here, you need to enter your gift card number located at the back of your gift card for the Uber Eats. Make sure you type in the right information, that is the right characters. And then click on Apply button over here at the bottom of the page. Remember that once your gift card is added to an Uber Eats account, it cannot be transferred. Now you can use the gift card as a method of payment while ordering from the Uber Eats. If you have more than one payment method at auto checkout screen, you can choose the gift card option in order to redeem your gift card while checking out of the Uber Eats. So this is how you can redeem your Uber gift card. Hope this video was useful. Please like and subscribe the Logging Aid channel, and thank you for watching till the very end.